Java and Python are both popular programming languages, but they have different characteristics and are suited for different purposes. Here are some points of comparison. One. Syntax. Java and Python have distinct syntax styles. Java has a more verbose and structured syntax, requiring semicolons and curly braces for defining blocks of code. Python, on the other hand, emphasizes readability and uses indentation to delimit code blocks. 2. Application. Java is commonly used for building large-scale enterprise applications, Android app development, and server-side development. It is statically typed, which means variables need to have explicit types declared. Python, on the other hand, is often used for web development, scientific computing, data analysis, and scripting. Python is dynamically typed, allowing for more flexibility in variable assignment. 3. Performance. Java is generally faster than Python due to its just-in-time JIT compilation and statically typed nature. Java code is compiled into bytecode and then executed by the Java Virtual Machine (JVM). Python, being an interpreted language, can be slower in certain situations. However, Python has extensive libraries and frameworks, such as NumPy and SciPy, which can utilize optimized code and close performance gaps for specific tasks. 4. Community and ecosystem. Both Java and Python have large and active communities, providing support, libraries, frameworks, and resources. Java has a long-standing history and a wide range of enterprise-level frameworks like Spring and Hibernate. Python has a rich ecosystem with libraries such as Django for web development, TensorFlow for machine learning, and Pandas for data manipulation. 5. Learning curve. Python is often regarded as more beginner-friendly due to its simplicity and readability. Its concise syntax and extensive standard library make it easier to learn and understand. Java, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve, especially for those new to programming. Ultimately, the choice between Java and Python depends on the specific requirements of your project, your familiarity with the languages, and the ecosystem that best supports your needs. To find relevant YouTube videos comparing Java and Python, you can search for terms like Java vs Python comparison, or Java or Python for specific use case. This will help you find video content created by developers and experts that delve deeper into the topic.